Hey guys, what's good? It is your boy Pookie here. Right, we have another one of these WLtoys trucks. This is a short course truck. Obviously, it's quite a wide truck, but they're called short course trucks. Let me just check the model number of this one. This one is the number 12423. We've had the 12428, which is the small version. Then we've had the 110 scales, which is the A, B, and C. Check them out in a couple of my last videos. Yeah, this is quite nice. First time I've had a box with a see-through window on it like this for a WLtoys, so we'll check this out. I believe this is a brushed car running lithium batteries, 112 scale, and it's ready to run right out of the box. So what I'm going to do now is just take this out of the box and yeah, see exactly what we get inside. So now we have everything out of the box, you can see what we get inside of the box. We get a pretty much box standard. I've had a few of these ones before, pretty toy grade. It's what's expected, you know, what's expected with the WLtoys, especially for, what is it, what, 49, 50 quid for this car. It's quite a cheap car for, you know, for what you're getting, so they have to kind of cut corners somewhere, but overall I highly rate the WLtoys. The only thing that I can put down about the WLtoys is the 2-in-1 ESC combos, but other than that, the actual trucks themselves are actually quite good trucks. So we've got the transmitter, we've got the user manual for this, and this will obviously have a diagram of all a tear down of the whole car and how to rebuild it and such. Got a little screwdriver, a little wrench for unlocking the wheel nuts. But let's look at the car, because that's what we've come here to look at. It's a nice car. I like it because it's quite wide, you know, compared to like the other WLtoys models. They're I'm not too sure, I'm pretty sure it's just the same chassis underneath. We'll take the pins out now and we will have a closer look. We've got 2 pins on the front, 2 pins on the back, only small pins. Lift the body off and we can see what's underneath. Yep, we've got the brush motor there. We've got the 2-in-1 combo ESC, the servo down there. I believe this is going to be a 1500 milliamp LiPo battery. What I've noticed on this as well, it's a full working diff, so there's no actual blocked diff on this like some of the other WLtoys versions. You get a locked diff, which is more for rock crawling. Obviously this truck's more for racing, so we have a full working diff on this. These parts at the side, they're extra. They're not on any of the other WLtoys models. I believe that's for when the shell sits on top, so it's got somewhere to sit against, so it's not slamming up and bending in. You know, actually it's got a bit of rigidness to it, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah. What else is there to say about this? It's got working LEDs. That's nice. So when we do switch it on, we will have working lights. I think it's just the one set that's on here, which are just the ones at the front. There's none at the back or anything, but yeah, I like the look of it. Let's get racing this out and see what we can do with this. I'm going to be going down to the track today, so we'll be able to see it on an actual proper track and see how it handles. So yeah, catch you on the track, guys.
So how do I rate this little WLtoys? I think it's actually quite a good car for the price. 50 quid, you can't go wrong. It handles like a dream. It takes a few beatings, as you can see, so the battery's still not finished yet, but I've only brought my phone out with me today to record, so I'm gonna have to use some of the memory for me other car, but you can see how this handles. Hope you like this video, guys. If you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and as always, guys, peace out.